Join me on my hyperlapse journey on a Mount Maunganui Summit Walk, compressing a 30-minute walk up to the 232-metre high summit into just 2.5 minutes. The two most popular tracks are the Oroahini and the Waikoriri tracks. I took the Oroahini track, taking you around the northern and western side of the mount. So check it out now with a little bullet time view from the top two.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Up to knock them down, it's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say.